Yung comment sa taas, we were talking about friends and not friends. Ano ba yun? We were talking about pets at yung mga saying goodbye kapag pumanaw na yung mga pets. Nangyari na sa akin yan many times. Noong nasa Pilipinas ako, bata pa, may okasyon kasi and they decided to gawing handa yung pet ko. And I cried so much on that day. I was young. I think na-traumatize pa ako. Hanggang ngayon naiisip ko pa yung pet kong nawala at ginawa siyang handa. I was not very happy. So ngayon, nandito ako sa Canada. I decided magkakapet ako. I will take care of them. And dahil adult na ako, I can do whatever I want. I will take care of them. I'll make sure they're safe all the time. Ganyan talaga siguro kapag pet lover. Parang membro na sila ng pamilya.